the birthdays of our dear sisters. Today we celebrate Sister Basanti's birthday, and tomorrow we will be having an anticipatory birthday celebration of Sister Clara. Sister Clara's birthday is tomorrow. So let's begin the day. Celebrate the birthday of this great person that we have amongst us, our dear Sister Principal, Sister Clara Saminathan. Sister, you are a remarkable principal. You have dedicated yourself for the betterment of our school and the growth of each student who walks through its doors. Your passion for education, commitment to excellence, and your unwavering support for both staff and students are very inspiring. We have all witnessed your determination and drive. You have always been a beacon of wisdom and compassion, and these qualities we all would like to learn from you over the years. Blessing you today and forever, and you keep inspiring us throughout this journey also life. May you love and lead like Jesus. Happy birthday, sister.
Special greetings to Sister Clara and Sister Basanti Ekka. Today we have more reasons to rejoice as we celebrate the birthday of our dear Sister Basanti. We have gathered with hearts full of joy and gratitude to celebrate the birthday of a truly extraordinary individual, Sister Basanti Ekka. As Vice Principal of our school and a devoted member of the Salesian congregation, Sister Basanti exemplifies the spirit of compassion, dedication, and faith that defines our institution. We extend our heartfelt thanks for your leadership, your compassion, and your unwavering dedication to the mission of the Salesian congregation. Sister, may your birthday be filled with abundant blessings, joy, and the knowledge that your life's work has touched countless hearts and minds. Happy birthday, Sister Basanti. May God continue to guide and bless you abundantly in all your endeavors. Thank you.
Birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Basanti. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Sister Clara. Happy birthday to you.
Coincidence, it came together.
Okay,
Birthday babies are here.
because it's
Dun, 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 dun.
happy birthday, sister. Happy birthday. Blow the candle. Blow the candle, sister. Yay! Whose heart is burning?
All the ACB teachers' heart is burning, okay? Everybody, yes. Nice. Nice.
Actually, others can't understand live commentary. Someone has to give.
Okay. Now I will feed for Sister Basanti.
Yes.
Birthday baby today.
Today is her birthday.
Okay, all can sit.
Yay!
on the kapra. Happy birthday, sister. Avanti, 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 avanti. Happy birthday, sister.
So Clara, come together.
Expression of gratitude and celebration. Actually, didn't expect, but it came right away. It happened that both of us are together. But one thing, whenever I think of this birthday, if others and even mine, actually we were not celebrating birthday. Now of late we have started. Otherwise, whenever I think of someone's celebrating birthday, I say, I'm becoming old. Let me live it today joyfully. Today is my day. So that tomorrow will be I am old. Today I have. Let's live joyfully. All that I will do today. My thought always goes whenever when I see someone celebrating birthday or some children also come up every day birthday every day. Always. So this thought I live it for you also today. Okay? Let's live it today. Joyfully. Whatever comes, what may, joy, sorrows, wherever I am. Today I am here, tomorrow somewhere else. Today is my birthday. So every day is my birthday to celebrate. So thank you so much for all this expression of love and gratitude. Thank you.
Dear teachers, I'm really feeling blessed to be here amongst you all. And it is a rare occasion to celebrate with such a nice people with nice smile and big heart, and as you wished me that I may be a blessing. So I have offered my life to be a blessing. So let your prayer and wish come true to my life. Thank you and God bless you.
You are an example of leading in the footsteps of Jesus. May God bless you today and every day of your life. That you may live like Jesus.
Johnny is a distinguished gentleman. He is presently the Secretary of the Salesian Provincial Conference of South Asia and Secretary of All India Don Bosco Education Society and Coordinator of Education and Culture of Don Bosco, South Asia. He was the Director of Don Bosco Institute and Don Bosco Institute of Management, Guwahati, Assam from 2017 to 2023. He was awarded the title Pioneer of Education by Dr. Mukul Sarma, the Chief Minister of Meghalaya in 2014, and was presented the Green Mission Champion Award on Republic Day in 2015 at Tura by the Chief Minister of Meghalaya. He was presented Guruvar Best Teacher Award by Shri Kapil Sibal, former Union HRD Minister in 2009, and received Computer Excellence Award from Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, President of India in 2002, when he was the principal of St. Anthony's Higher Secondary School, Meghalaya. He was the National President of All India Association of Catholic Schools, New Delhi from 2002 to 2005. He was the Charter President of the Rotary Club of Orchid City, Shillong. He was principal of Don Bosco College and Don Bosco College of Teacher Education, Tura, Garo Hills, Meghalaya from 2010 to 2017. He has authored 19 books till date and written numerous articles for renowned magazines. He conducts seminars and conferences for government servants, corporate leaders and employees, heads of schools, parents, teachers, students and community leaders. He is a visionary leader, an ardent educationist, a master trainer and a much sought after consultant on educational matters.
We serve as food. Its long, sharp beak begins to bend.
Acceptance, recognition, everything you happens in the heart. Look at the result of the child. What is the child doing? Dancing. The Mandara dance steps out there. Look at the musical notes. He's singing. Celebration, happiness, fun, joy.
Updating is very relevant now for the teachers to update themselves because students are updating themselves.
As William Arthur Ward once said, feeling gratitude is not expressing. It's like wrapping a present and not giving it. So today I stand here on the behalf of the entire fraternity of the institution to unwrap the presence of gratitude. Today, indeed, is a special day as we are blessed with the gracious presence of our resource person, Dr. Father John Paramkimaril, SDB. Thank you, Father, for inspiring and motivating us with the unique theories you have incorporated in us.